Hi doctor, we are from Group 70 and this is our presentation about the Tableau Dashboard project about Malaysia household income. So which include the 5 business questions. So our first question is which state has the highest and lowest average income in? So the first step we drag the states to the columns and we drag the average income in to the rows and we change it from sum to the average. Then we drag the states to color. Then we can see the whole graph. So the bar chart compares the average household income mean for each state in Malaysia. On the chart, Putrajaya stands out with the highest income at about 10,092. Meanwhile, states like Kelantan and Police are the lowest, which is below 2,500. This shows that income levels are different across states, with urban areas earning much higher. So the next question is, which region has the highest and lowest average median household income? So for this, we change to the map. Then we drag the states to the details, and we drag the average income median to the color, and we change it to average. So as you see the map, it shows that the average median household income by state. Darker colors represent higher income, while light colors represent lower income. Putrajaya and Selangor have the highest median income, meaning most households that earn more. Kelantan, Sabah, and Police are the amongst lowest. This helps us to see income inequality based on geography. So next, I will pass to my teammate Koen Kai.
Hi, doctor. My name is Koen Kai. So my question is, how has the average household income in Malaysia changed over time? So first step, I drag the debt to the column, and I drag this income in to the rows, and I set the measure sum to average, and also we drag the income median to the rows, and also set this become average also. And after that, I drag the measure name to color, and the next step is I change the line chart to become this pattern. And the last step is I show the mark level so that we can see the amount clearly. So based on this line chart, we can see the line chart shows how Malaysia's household income has changed from 1970 to 2022. And the blue line represents the average income mean, and the orange line represents the income median. And both lines increase steadily over the years, starting below 300 ringgit in 1970 and rising to more than 7,000 ringgit Malaysia in 2022. And we can also see a small drop around 2020, likely caused by COVID-19 pandemic, but income rise again afterward. So overall, this chart shows strong long-term economic growth with both mid and median income becoming much higher over time. Thank you, doctor, and I will pass to my friend, Chiang Kai-sheng.
Hi doctor, my name is Chiang Kai-sheng, and next I'll be explaining the question what is the difference between the mean and median by state. So first, we pull the state and put it at the column and also the measure name. And for the row, we'll write the income mean and the income median. So we'll right click the income mean and median to change it into average so that we can get the average value. And also for the graph we use is the side by side bar, so it's easier for us to compare the value. So as we can see, okay, sorry. So for the question, the difference between the mean and median. Sorry, this chart will compare the mean and median income side by side for each state. So in most states, we can see that the mean is higher than the median, which means that there might be a high income pooling average. So as we can see from the graph, the Putrajaya has the largest gap, which shows that there's an income inequality. So for the rural state, it have a smaller gaps. So it means that there's more equal earning in this state. So that's all for my part. Next, I'll pass it to my teammate.
Okay. Hi doctor, my name is Lee Peng Ek, and now I will start the topic, which is which year has the highest and lowest average income mean and income median. So now I will plot the graphs, and the year will be at the column and the income mean will be at the row and the median will be at the row, and I will set the measure to average for both mean and median, and after that I will give out the labels, show all the label marks, and here is the graph that shows the highest and lowest average income in the median. Okay, basically this bar chart shows average income by year from 1917. We can see that it has the lowest income while 2022 has the highest. Okay, this supports the trend that Malaysia household income keeps increasing even though there was a dip around 2020, and most probably because of COVID-19, and the income recovered in 2022. That's all for me. Thank you, doctor.